channel. Today I just want to do a quick review on some new mascara that I got, and I'll show you which one it is. It's the MAC. I'll tell you what it says. Haute and Naughty 2 Black Lash, that's what it's called. This one here, I've actually using it today, but I've also lined my eyes as well. I'll tell you about that in a sec. This one here, it's got two applicators. I thought it was brilliant. The first one here is actually for the bottom lashes, and it's a very lightweight applicator, and it's very fine as well, so it's got a coating of the mascara on it. So I'll do that on the bottom lashes, and then the middle one is the top lashes. I've never seen this before, so I didn't know what I wanted from the shop. I just went in and asked for a mascara in MAC. This one's a lot thicker, obviously, so that's for the top lashes there. And yeah, she said with the bottom one you use the little thin one for the bottom one because it's a lot finer. And I guess if you're heavy-handed, the bottom one you can use top as well, and it actually separates your eyelashes quite well. So again, it's like that little spoolie. So I've actually been using the same one on both of them. So I've got it on today. I don't know if you can see the makeup I've put on. The makeup look today I've actually sort of experimented a bit with today. I thought, I'm always talking about how I just do it and I'll just slap it on, and I don't use this and don't use that, but today I did. So I'll tell you what I did. So first of all, I used that lovely mascara. The lipstick I used is the Too Faced one. Okay, so I popped that one on there, so that's a nice sort of natural nude colour. What I used to coat the top of it, because when it dries all matte looking, I used the Nivea, that little pearlized one, and that just gives that a little bit of coating, so it just feels nice and moist on your lips. I've got this brow gel I forgot to tell you about. I've had this for a while as well, and it's just a gel for your brows. So get a little spoolie and just flick it on like that. I didn't use that one today. I actually used some of the eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow I've got today I'm using is the Naked one. I used this one today. I put the Thin Lizzy concealer on the eyelid. First, I used the MAC foundation all over, and when I put the MAC on today, what I used different. I used a sponge and I actually dabbed it on like that, so it was so it didn't sort of smear all over the face. So I sort of patted it on, so just to get a bit better coverage. So I've done that. I obviously used the face cream to start with, and I also use, which I don't always use, is a primer, Nude by Nature primer. I've been using that one, but I forgot to use it on a couple of my tutorials. So that's what I did. And then with the eyelids, I'm going closely. I lined the eyelid with this colour here, and I used a very thin pencil from MAC. I used this one, and I'll probably show you the eye. I just lined it slightly, and I didn't go right out to the corner because I'm trying to give the eyes a bit of a lift. So if I'm looking full on, hopefully they've lifted a little bit, because of this size of the droopy eye, so I'd have to be careful that I cover a bit more of the hollow part there. So yeah, so I made sure that I did my makeup just so it come to there rather than lower, so I needed it to lift up more. So I used that one for the lid, and then I used that for the hollow part, and sometimes I use, well, most of the time I use that for the whole of the lid, but I thought I'd just line the lid slightly, and the lid part, preparing it, I put that colour on first. So that's what I did with that part there. So yeah, then I did the mascara, then I did the contouring, and I used a contour kit. I've got an Anastasia one here. I've had it for ages, but I just sort of kind of don't really get around to using it. So I used this colour here, and I did that on my cheeks just down there. And then I just got some little cheap pink blusher. I don't know where I got it from, it's really crap, but it works really well. So I just put that on my cheek parts. Then I put on my famous little bit of highlighting. That's a Rimmel. So I used again that Rimmel colour up the top there, the blusher, and just put it on just on those bits there. What else did I do? I did the eyebrows, just like I said. I actually used this pencil, and I used one of the colours from the palette, and I just sort of did it in. Because I saw a tutorial the other day of a lady, fabulous, over 50? Brilliant lady. Anyway, she gave me a great idea. Like, obviously, we all know about the eyebrows, but yeah, just by measuring from the tip of your nose all the way up, and then the middle bit there, and that bit there is the perfect dimension for your eyebrows. And I was actually quite impressed because I thought, oh, that's exactly how mine is, except I do have a lot of the grey hairs. So I think if I was to line this eyebrow properly, I could probably get a really good nice arch bit there. I didn't know I was filming this today, so otherwise I would have done it a bit better, but I would have a good arch there, but this side doesn't really have much of an arch, so that didn't really work today. But yeah, I learned that from her video. And also there was another thing about your face shape as well, which I thought it was very clever what she's saying about you draw on your mirror, your outline of your face. And yeah, it's all Fabulous 50s, I think she's called, Shelley somebody. Anyway, you draw on the mirror and it just shows your outline of your face. So you have to check it out because I thought it was really good. Another thing I've noticed on all my videos is I've got such a wrinkly neck. It's dreadful. And now some of the videos I think I must sit upright because it just really shows. So yeah, so I put a scarf on today. I thought, well, we could just disguise it with a scarf and make the scarf look really nice, which you could thought, oh dear. But I do use creams on my face all the time. I'm always going up like that as well with the creams. So yeah, I just noticed that on the video. Apart from that, the skin's not too bad. I do take care of it. I don't buy all the fancy creams, so I do kind of use a bit of Nivea. Where's the one I use? The night. Oh no, I've been using a Laclura, a revitalised one at the moment. That was what I had on my desk here, and the other one I use is the night cream Olay. So I do use those quite a bit. And also my daughter-in-law brought me this serum booster. It's a sleep tight serum booster, if you can see that there. Just add a few little drops. This comes in a little droplet applicator and just dab it around there. You can use it in the morning as well. It's really quite refreshing. Yeah, that's can I tell you. I think that's about it anyway, but I'll just show the outfit I've put on for the day as well, just as I'm having a little chat about today's makeup. Yeah, it's a different look for me because what I normally do is I normally do colour the eyelids. I kind of colour the big chunk of the eyelids over. But today I thought I'd do it thinner on the eyelids so it doesn't, so it opens up my eyes a bit more, and then you can see the hollow of my eyes. So I thought that was a good idea. I just experimented, but I'll just show you what I've put on together for the outfit of the day. I'll just turn you around. Okay, so this is the outfit I've put on for today. Just got the scarf on, the leopard print scarf, and because I thought it was a nice contrast with the black. And the cardigan is just from Target. It's just a $25 cardigan, oversized one with pockets there. And I've also got some jeans that I brought the other day. These are from Target. No, they're from Kmart. They're just the really high-waisted ones. They're super comfortable, really elasticy, and good to hide those tums from us older ladies. Nice little fit there. These are the skinny ones, and I've got my boots on today, and I've actually rolled them up at the bottom there. I'm not sure if I would go out with them rolled up, but I was just sort of for displaying purposes only. I thought put them on, but yeah, it's a nice comfortable little outfit. And yeah, without that, this is how the jeans look. Not very stylish on your bum, but you do normally cover them. You can't get away with these sort of styles with your bot. You've got to find something like Levi's or something to give you a really good lift, you know, with the stitching. That's what they show. So anyway, yeah, just thought I'd show you today's outfit. Yeah, okay, so that's all I can tell you, and I will see you next time. If you like this video, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks.